Hello students, in NCERT second chapter polynomial you have four concepts: geometrical meaning of zeros of a polynomial, quadratic polynomials and its verify relation between zeros and coefficients, third concept cubic polynomials, and the fourth concept division algorithm. But the third and fourth concept deleted for current 22-23 academic session. So in this video I am going to explain the first two concepts. One is geometrical meaning of zeros of a polynomial and another one is concept of quadratic polynomial. Geometrical meaning of zeros of a polynomial. So in this if any graph is given, how to find number of zeros, that is a concept of this. Number of zeros of a polynomial if graph is given, number of zeros of a polynomial if graph is given. Zeros of a polynomial p of x are precisely the x coordinate of the points where the graph intersects the x axis. Graph intersects the x axis. Simply number of zeros equal to number of points where the graph intersects x axis. This is a concept for this topic. Number of zeros equal to number of points intersect in the x axis. In general, a polynomial of degree n intersects the x axis at most n points. At most n points, but degree is n. Degree is n. So if graph is given, identify number of points, find the number of points, point of intersection with respect to x axis. For example, so how many points it intersect? So number of zeros is 1. Here, how many points it intersect? Only touches. Here 2, 2 0, here 1 0. Here how many 0? 1, 2, 3 zeros. So number of meeting point with respect to x axis. This is a basic rule. Linear polynomial, graph is straight line, it intersect at one point. Only with respect to x axis, not with respect to y axis. And quadratic polynomial, when coefficient of x square is greater than 0, parabola open up. And a quadratic polynomial, when the coefficient is less than 0, parabola open down. For example, here this is quadratic polynomial. For example, quadratic polynomial whose coefficients of x square is minus. Okay. And what is the zeros of the polynomial? No zeros because it never touches the x axis. What about here? Again no zero because this is not counted, only with respect to x axis is counted. Okay. If graph is given, how to find number of zeros? Find the number of point of intersection with respect to x axis, not y axis. Okay. This is the first concept. And second concept, quadratic polynomial. So what is the general form of quadratic polynomial? Ax square plus bx plus c, where a not equal to 0. A quadratic polynomial, its degree is 2 and it has 2 zeros. Let the zeros be alpha comma beta. Let the zeros be alpha comma beta. Let alpha beta are zeros or roots, one more value is also roots of a quadratic polynomial, ax square plus bx plus c. Then sum of the zeros alpha plus beta equal to formula, this is formula, minus b by a. Sum of the zeros equal to minus b by a minus b. What is b actually? B is coefficient of x, coefficient of x by a. What is a? Coefficient of x square, coefficient of x square, coefficient of x square. And product of the zeros alpha beta equal to c by a. C by a, c is constant term by coefficient of x square. Constant term by here coefficient of x by coefficient of x square, that is minus coefficient of x by coefficient of x square minus b by a. Second one is constant term by coefficient of x square, c by a. And formation of quadratic polynomial, the required quadratic equation or polynomial. Required quadratic polynomial is x square minus sum into x plus product, or simply x square minus alpha plus beta into x plus alpha beta. This is very important concept for board exam. If a polynomial is given, find the zeros and verify the relation between zeros and coefficients. This is a relation between zeros and coefficients. This is coefficient and this is 0. Alpha plus beta equal to minus b by a and alpha beta equal to c by a. These two are the relation between zeros and coefficients of a quadratic polynomial. And apart from this relation, one more concept is there. Without finding zeros alpha beta, find the value of an expression. For that you need these formulas. The name of a formula is polynomials, algebraic expression of symmetric function. Reason in symmetric means if you look at RHS, it contains only sum and product, sum, products, and this depends on this condition. Okay, it's very important concept for finding the value of expression which involves zeros alpha and beta. Find alpha plus beta square means without finding alpha beta, that is very important. Okay, but it's not possible to find alpha beta for all the polynomial. Without finding alpha beta, find the value of the expressions like this. So one is alpha square plus beta square equal to alpha plus beta whole square minus 2 alpha beta, and alpha cube, this is alpha cube plus beta cube equal to alpha plus beta the whole cube minus 3 alpha beta into alpha plus beta, and alpha power 4 plus beta power 4. Fourth power depends on second power. Alpha square plus beta square the whole square minus 2 alpha beta. But alpha square plus beta square equal to this formula, alpha plus beta the whole square minus 2 alpha beta whole square minus 2 alpha beta the whole square. Otherwise find the value of this, directly substitute here. And alpha minus beta equal to plus or minus alpha plus beta the whole square minus 4 alpha beta. Alpha square minus beta square equal to alpha plus beta into alpha minus beta. This, to find these two values, you need to find this value, alpha minus beta. And alpha cube minus beta cube equal to alpha minus beta the whole cube plus 3 alpha beta into alpha plus beta. Okay, so this is very important concept for section C, section D question. If quadratic polynomial is given, without finding alpha beta, find the value of an expression which contains alpha and beta. These two are the important topics for current academic year. Thank you.